You are wasting your time with the wrong AI. Right now, millions of people are using ChatGPT or Claude, but most of them have no idea which one is actually better for them. Is ChatGPT still the king? Or has Claude quietly taken over in 2026? I tested both of them, hard, across writing, coding, research, creativity, and everyday tasks. And the results? They actually surprised me, so stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI is right for you. No tech degree required. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about breaking down AI tools in plain, simple English. Today's showdown, ChatGPT versus Claude. Think of them like two incredibly smart assistants. Both can write, both can answer questions, both can help you in daily life. But here is the thing. They have very different personalities, very different strengths, and very different prices. Let's break it all down. I asked both AIs to write me a short story, a marketing email, and a persuasive essay. ChatGPT gave me solid, structured responses, clean, professional, gets the job done. But Claude felt almost human. The writing had emotion, nuance, a real sense of flow. For writing and creativity, Claude clearly stands out. If you write blogs, emails, stories, or social media content, Claude feels like your best friend. Now let's talk about everyday tasks, summarizing articles, planning a trip, answering random questions. This is where most beginners spend 90% of their time with AI. Both tools are genuinely excellent here. But ChatGPT pulls ahead with one huge advantage. It has live internet access. So if you ask it about today's news, prices, or anything current, it knows. For everyday tasks and real-time information, ChatGPT takes the lead. Now here's something that really matters: honesty and safety. Have you ever asked an AI something and it just made up an answer? That's called a hallucination. And both tools do it. But Claude is much more likely to admit when it doesn't know something. It will say, "I'm not sure," or "You should double-check this." That kind of honesty is actually powerful, especially if you're relying on AI for guidance. So for safety, honesty, and reliability, Claude stands out again. Now let's talk about ease of use and pricing. Both tools are beginner-friendly. You go to the website, type your question, and get your answer. Simple. ChatGPT has a strong free version and a paid plan that unlocks more advanced features like better models, image generation, and voice. Claude also offers a free version and a pro plan with access to its most powerful model and a massive context window. Think of that like memory. Claude can handle extremely long documents, even entire books, in one go. In this area, it's basically a tie. Both are easy to use and fairly priced. So let's look at the bigger picture. For writing and creativity, Claude wins. For everyday tasks and real-time information, ChatGPT wins. For honesty and safety, Claude wins. For ease of use and pricing, it's a tie. So which one is smarter? The honest answer is it depends on you. Choose ChatGPT if you need current information, real-time updates, or built-in features like image generation. Choose Claude if you care about writing quality, deeper thinking, and analyzing long documents. And honestly, if you can, try both. Use the free versions and see which one feels right. Because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. The best tool is the one you actually use. That's it for today. If this helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. New videos every week breaking down the latest AI tools. Coming up next, I'll be testing new video generation tools, and you don't want to miss that. Drop a comment below. Which side are you on? I'll see you in the next one. Take care.